It's Dr. Manny from Break the Cage MD again. For this one, we're going to be focusing on helping doctors find your position in the game. So, step one is you'll have a major event and you have to see the signs for it. Now, what a lot of people miss is that they think that burnout is the condition, but burnout is a symptom of a condition. Burnout tells you that on the hero's journey, they say you get a call to adventure. When you refuse the call, which means you didn't do the work to go inside yourself, and you let an opportunity or a desire or curiosity pass by, and you didn't find your true self, you didn't pursue the passion. Eventually, you end up with the apathy, the burnout, the sense of defeatedness, and the sense of loss of purpose in life because you were meant to do something greater, and when the opportunity came, you punked out. So the burnout is just you'll keep seeing opportunities, but the more you resist the opportunities, the more you'll fall into this spiral of boredom and this feeling that you're not living a purposeful life. So when you get that sign, what you want to do is first one of the first steps is to find a mentor to get the fundamentals. A mentor, uh, like a coach, because if you have books and stuff and you start reading the books, well, first of all, the books are designed to like generate whoever revenue and to build their reputations. So the books are full of a lot of information, but a lot of it is noise. And also with the internet, every few days, a new technique comes up or a variation on technique comes up. By the time book is published, enough people are doing that technique so that it's not useful anymore. Once you have your mentor, you get the right mindset because usually a mentor is a member of a community or has a set of contacts and connections, but each community has a different set of values. So you don't want to hop in the wrong party doing the wrong dance, so to speak. So you have to get the right mindset. It's always an empowering mindset. So if you find yourself surrounded by people that are kind of criticizing you and beating you down or promising you that they're going to fund you once you do one more free thing, then you're getting screwed. So you want to get the right mindset. Once you have the right mindset, you identify your unique set of strengths because before you get your mind right, you're basically a cog in the machine. You're part of the ship and part of the crew, to use the Pirates of the Caribbean metaphor. So you're playing a role, and part of the maturation process, part of the identity development, is you move from mastering a role to finding your unique strengths that could add to the role. When you don't go looking for those unique strengths, once again, you get that burnout. That's part of ego development. So you identify your unique strength, and then once you have your unique strength, you'll find that you're able to do what's called creating value. You create value when your unique strength meets an unmet need in the market. You find your market. Your market is sort of a conceptual target, a conceptual space. It's not like the mall or any particular venue or building or setting up like a brick and mortar shop anymore. That's kind of obsolete. The marketplace is in minds. So you're looking for a community that has a specific mindset, that have a passion about something, and that way you're relevant in that community. In that community, you're not like, first of all, you're not stuck in your doctor identity. So you're becoming a member of that community and assimilating and learning what the community values and how you can serve that community with your skill set once again. So once you have that rapport within a certain community and you build that reputation, um, and you've basically put in the time to build your ethos, then you're able to have enough empathy to identify unmet needs within that community. That community is your market, and from there you build relationships. The relationships take time, years, and that's why you got to start as soon as possible because don't expect that you're going to meet some people next week. They're going to be cutting you checks for $1,000. Humans don't work like that. Yeah. So number three is in red. Get the right mindset because in my program I call that packing your parachute. Because before you jump out of the entire medicine culture, you have to stop thinking in the way that we've been conditioned to think as doctors. So I put together a 4-week course, 4.5 week. I put a couple bonus episodes at the end, 10 minutes each, to help people get in the right mindset by doing a short exercise in the morning and then spending the rest of the day thinking through the audio tape, well, MP3, since we're in 2015. I have it as video, MP3, and downloadable sheets. Simple concepts that just grow your awareness so that you can walk your way into a mindset of, we call it an abundance mindset, a producer mindset, an opportunity seeking mindset, instead of sort of a prevention, paranoid, protective, scarcity mindset. Yep, so that's about it. Break the Cage, MD.